Just wrap this big guy up. Man, the size of that thing. Come on now. Man, hold up. You gotta try this one. Hey guys, I'm back in the kitchen. I'm excited to show you this high protein, low carb chicken ranch wrap that I made the other day. Man, it is good. You're gonna wanna see this one. And it's so easy to make, just like all the meals I make. They're so easy to make. So check this one out. Let me show you some of the ingredients. We'll put it together and then you're gonna have at least 50 grams of protein real quick. So check this one out, all right? So very simple here. I weighed out 8 ounces of chicken and I'm cooking it in this pure avocado oil. All right, it's cooking real nice. Add just a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning on there. And just got that cooking real slow, real slow. Of course, I weighed everything out. Make sure you weigh everything out. And then we're gonna come over here and make this ranch sauce real quick. I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's so good. All right, guys, while the chicken's cooking, I don't know if you can hear it in the background. It's still cooking. What we're gonna make is that ranch sauce real quick. Super easy. So you can either use yogurt if you want. So I just use half a cup. Or of course you can go with the cottage cheese. That's always a good option as well. Whichever one you want to use. I'm gonna go ahead and use yogurt this time. And all you're gonna need is either some fresh lemon, or I like to just get the jar of lemon, pure lemon juice, because I'll put this in water as well and just drink it to, you know, I love lemon water. Gives it a great flavor. So get you some of this if you can find it. Just pure lemon juice, not the stuff with all the sugars in it. Make sure you get the pure lemon juice. And then, I've said this before, if you can find this, I think I found this at Walmart. Keep this in stock. This is, man, this is amazing right here. You can make ranch dip. You can put this on your chicken, make ranch chicken, however you want to do it, but keep this in stock, okay? This stuff is really good. So all you're gonna do is, I just took half a cup of yogurt. I'm gonna use Greek yogurt this time. Did 2 tablespoons in the blender. Let me tell you something on the blenders here. Okay, so on the blenders, I have 2 different kind of blenders. I have my big Ninja blender. Now this joker right here, if you need to chop some stuff, this thing is what you need right here. It comes with 2 cups, but man, this will chop up some stuff if you need that. However, I'm just making a dip, so I'm using my little Ninja. All right, this is a little portable one. This thing works amazing. You just plug it in, charge it up, and then even has a little handle. What you do, you can just take, just so I can show you here real quick. Before we make the sauce, let me just show you, like if you had a protein shake in there, you just take it off, and then that's it, boom. You just drink from there. I mean, don't drink this, that's lemon juice. Well, I guess you could, you can add water to there, but yeah, so this is very convenient. So I like to use this one, but I'm just gonna, so I already have the lemon juice in there. You can see it moving around. I'm just gonna add the yogurt in there. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna throw that seasoning, the ranch seasoning, and boom, that's all you need right there. Chicken's done, and we're just gonna add the chicken, and then we're good to go. Okay, so there we go. I'm just blending it up real quick. We got the ranch. I'll pop this top off. Look at it. Oh, look at that. You know, see that? That's a ranch dip right there. All right, so I'm gonna add a little tahini in there to give it, you know, and this is optional. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it because it gives it some great flavor. Just add a little more. You can measure this out, but I just kind of eyeball it a little bit. You don't want to add too much, but this stuff is so good. So let's put the top back on there. We're gonna blend it up a little bit more. All right, so it's all done. Let's go ahead and pour it out. So you just pop it off, and then you have untwist the top. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Look at your ranch dip that you got here. All right, now this is just yogurt, lemon juice, ranch seasoning, and tahini seasoning. Look at that. That's a healthy, super healthy ranch dip if you need one right there. We're gonna put this on that chicken. Let's taste it real quick. Just give it a taste test. Ooh, buddy, come on now. Man, that's good. Okay, we're working now. All right, so let me show you the tortillas I'm gonna use. Carb Counter soft tortilla wrap. These are amazing. Check them out. I'm telling you, 0 net carb tortillas. The thing I love about them is they are so soft. All right, they just come out like that. You don't even need to do anything to them, okay? And like I said, there's the chicken. Got that, that's 8 ounces of chicken right there. And man, it smells great. I just used a lemon pepper. Once again, I cooked it in the avocado oil. 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this and I'm just gonna spread it on the tortilla. Let me get you down here real quick. All right, guys, I'm gonna take some of this, spread it on the tortilla. Just get it all in there. It's gonna give it amazing flavor. Now, what I also like to do is, let me get that all the way to the edges. Make sure you get them edges. The edges want some too. Look at that. Now, it's gonna be a little messy. Probably gonna have to get you a paper towel or something. Now, I like adding cucumbers. Okay, I try to add cucumbers to everything I can. So I just sliced them long ways this time because it's a wrap. So I just stick those in there. And you can cut these up and eat it on the side. And then you just add the chicken. Look at that. I mean, come on now. What we're looking at here is 50 grams of protein right here. Let me get a paper towel because my hands are all. What we're looking at here is 50 grams of protein right there. Look at that. You got your grilled chicken, you got your cucumbers and a no-carb tortilla, homemade ranch dip on there. Come on now. What I'll do is I'll take some more of this dip. I'm gonna stick it on top and just drizzle this joker on top, however much you need, all right? You can either finish all this if you want, or you can save it for later, okay? Add it to something else. Add it to your salads. Anything you need some ranch on, go ahead and add it on there. But look at that. All right, let me show you. Let me show you what we're working with. Look at that. Boy, I tell you what, come on now. I mean, you gotta try this one. This one is so good. So all we have is 8 ounces of chicken. We have some cucumber slices. That's optional. If you don't want to, you can add something else, another vegetable. Just try to throw some type of vegetable or something in there, okay? If you have some power greens or some lettuce or something, you can put that in there. That tastes great as well. But the secret is that ranch sauce that we made using yogurt, lemon juice, some ranch seasoning, okay? That's it. And a little tahini seasoning too, just to give a little more flavor. But that's all you need to do right there. No carb tortilla, man, you cannot beat that. Cooked it, I mean, in like 10 minutes, all right? 50 grams of protein right here. And you have that sauce. You can wrap this up and dip it in the rest of the sauce if you want to. You don't have to, it's up to you. But man, this is so good. It's so clean eating. I'm telling you, you gotta try this one. This one is perfect if you're on a low carb or a keto diet because this barely has any carbs in it, if anything. You have to try this one. Nothing but protein, help you get those gains. Use this meal, replace it with one of your other meals that you know is not good for you. I'm telling you, once you try it, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna keep this one in rotation because it's almost too easy to make. You can make this so simple, so quick. You can make it for lunch, you can make it for dinner. However, now you don't have to use 8 ounces of chicken. That's just what I use. You can use 4 ounces, 5, 6, whatever. This is just chicken breast. So you can also use chicken thighs if you want. Oh man, that would probably taste amazing. Okay, so make sure you weigh out your chicken, however much fits your macros, however much protein you need, weigh out that chicken. So remember, if your goal is to get down to, let's say 150 pounds, try to get 150 grams of protein a day. Okay, that's your goal. Whatever your goal is, whatever your personal goal is, that's the amount of protein you want to hit each day in grams. And the way to find out about that is you have to track it. MyFitnessPal, it's a free app. Put it on your phone, download it. Everything you see here is in MyFitnessPal, okay? Most foods are in MyFitnessPal, so it's been hard for me to find a food that's not in there. So track it, know where you stand, and you are gonna see some changes. If you keep eating like this, you will see some changes, I guarantee it, all right? Add in a few more steps, add in a couple gym sessions, you're good to go, all right? Drink your water, you got it going. I mean, it's just habit changing. You can totally get it, and I can help you get there, but look at that. Look at that meal right there. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this one, because this one is really good, so definitely check this out. Like, subscribe. If you like stuff like this, I'll keep making them. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this. Have you ever eaten anything like this? Or what else I can add to it to make it taste even better. But I'll see y'all next time. Let's go.